G37, back with another video. Today, C10 day. No, I'm playing. Actually, working on the brakes today. Putting on the big brakes. BBKs. Yeah. So, let's get started. Actually, I put them on. Footage got messed up. So, they're already on. But we're bleeding them today because had a lot of issues in the first half and all that. So I'm gonna show you what all paint came off, all that. It was a bad time, really bad time. So I'm gonna, I guess, talk over everything I've done, and in between time while we wait on him to help me bleed. Look at this. This is Papa Bear truck right here. Boy, this thing nasty, loud. It's my bro's truck right here behind it. Still work in progress, but you know, if we getting there later on, maybe by the end of the year, you know, have it going. You know, it's a lot of, yeah, this motherfucker's nice. It's real nice. Back to Papa Bear's truck though. I've been trying to get that for like 2 years. Look at it, hold on. All day, just barking at me all day. He won't do nothing, just bark at me all day. All right, got the rotor on. I know I need to cut this off, but I just bent it back for right now. I don't have the tools to cut it, so I just bent it. There's some space. As long as you have space, you should be fine. We're gonna see how well it goes. I still got my old caliper, my old brake line. So working on that. This was a pain. You see this bar right here? Gets in the way if you ain't got the right tools. I don't know if you can even have the right tools to get these lines out. It's really just, honestly, just take this off. This right here is gonna be a pain. Just make sure you have some clamps or something. Get this off. Actually, let's see if I can get it off now. Gotta tighten it up real quick. Okay, here we go. And you just do this little, whoops. Grab it from here. It's really hard to do with one hand. And pull, wiggle, and pull. Wiggle and pull, wiggle and pull. There we go. That's how you get this off. Have to take it off. Make sure this side stays up when you put it back. Use a hammer with a thumb, tap it in, you'll be fine. This is how you break it apart. Yep, 10. Well, I mean, everything is seized up on this thing. Seized up, and I used some degreaser, you know what I'm saying? I loosened up some lubricant. But, let's go get it. It's a pain. Actually, I need to have the other one ready, too. It's hand tight. Make sure it's hand tight. Don't go extra. Don't go crazy. You don't need to. But, yep, let me put that back until I'm ready. But, yep, that's all you do for this. And then, front back lines is shorter, easier. Front lines, you gotta do a little bit of maneuvering. But yeah. Shot of the BCs, as always. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we got the stainless steel brake lines. Yes, sir. As you can see, paint came off. Terrible paint job. It's okay. Start our bleeding today. Let's go. All right, let the drainage begin. Okay, so what I forgot to mention is you will need to change out your banjo bolts if you don't change out your lines. The stainless steel comes with smaller banjo bolts, but you will have to go to AutoZone and get smaller ones if you decide to keep your original brake lines. Oh yeah, let it rip.